If you're a loyal Ford owner, this message is just for you. Ford Motor Company is extending private offers to literally hundreds of thousands of previous Ford owners. The offers range from $750 to $3,000 and are in addition to all other Ford customer incentives. That means you'll save thousands on your next new Ford. If you're not sure you've been selected for this private offer, contact Sunset Ford of Sumner, and they'll do all they can to make sure you get your private offer incentives. Why Sunset Ford when all these private offers, the customer incentives, and cost of vehicles from Ford Motor Company are all exactly the same at all Ford dealerships? Well, it's pretty simple. Only Sunset Ford includes warranty protection for life and oil changes for life. That'll save you thousands more down the road and doesn't cost you a penny. Not one. It's a Sunset exclusive. Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410 just down the hill from Bonnie Lake, part of the Sunset Auto family. You just get more at Sunset Ford, and people do like that.